In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a task to a story in Jira using the web interface on Chrome. If you're managing projects in Jira, you know that sometimes tasks evolve and you might need to change their classification to better align with your workflow. Maybe a task has grown in complexity and it makes more sense as a story. Fortunately, Jira provides a straightforward way to make this transformation without losing any important details. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific task issue that you intend to change. This is where it all begins. Make sure you're logged into your Jira account and have access to the project where the task resides. Once you've accessed your desired task, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot the familiar three-dot menu icon, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. This menu is your gateway to more in-depth options and actions you can perform on your issue. Clicking on this three-dot menu will expand a list of actions. Look for the option that says Convert to Issue Type. In some versions or configurations, this option may be labeled as Move Instead. Selecting it will initiate the process of changing the task's classification. A pop-up window will appear, giving you the option to select a new issue type for your task. Within this pop-up window, locate Story from the list of potential new issue types. This is where you make the transformation official, categorizing your task as a story. Once you've chosen Story, don't rush off to the next step just yet. This is the perfect moment to review the issue details. You'll see all the current fields displayed, such as the summary, description, and assignee. Take some time to ensure that the information remains accurate and relevant. You might spot something that needs a little tweak or update. If there's anything you need to adjust, go ahead and make those changes now. After confirming all details are correct, go ahead and click the next button. You're almost there. To complete the process, you'll need to confirm your selections and adjustments. A final confirmation screen will appear, giving you a chance to double check everything one more time. When you're ready, hit that confirm button, and there you have it. Your task has now officially been converted into a story. This new classification can help better capture the requirements and potential subtasks associated with this work item. It's a seamless way to manage evolving project dynamics without losing sight of essential details. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Jira experience a little smoother.